Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that uh, on your Gardenscapes app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps this here, and there you're looking for here Gardenscapes app. So just click here on search, then here add Gardenscapes app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on for stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So you search here for Gardenscapes app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.